Teddy, you gonna say hi to the YouTube folks? No? Just gonna sleep, huh? Hello, lovely humans. How are you? In today's adventures, you're about to see my very first string pull. I'm really like a mad scientist when I'm mixing my colors. Different brands, different colors all together. That's why I will probably usually put my colors down in the information box. To get my color on the string, all I did was pour puddles and then put my string in it. I've seen some people put their string in cups and then kind of have to squeeze out some of the paint. I don't know. I might try that next time. I did speed up this video. This video was originally 37 minutes long, and I have edited it down to 5 minutes. And usually the stuff that I edit out is me having to sit down in the middle of doing a painting because I am having medical problems. That's also the reason that I don't talk during my videos. Okay, I'll let you guys watch the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you think of this painting, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!